Singular and plural nouns. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to learn about singular and plural nouns, what they are, why they matter, and how to form plurals correctly. If you sometimes get confused about when to add an s, or change the word completely, then this lesson will make everything clear and simple for you. So, let's begin. What are singular and plural nouns? In English, nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. They can either be singular or plural. A singular noun means one person, place, thing, or idea. Example: cat, boy, table, city. A plural noun means more than one. Example: cats, boys, tables, cities. Simply put, if you are talking about just one thing, use the singular form. If you are talking about two or more, use the plural form. How to form plural nouns. There are different ways to form plural nouns, depending on how the word is spelled. Let's go through the basic rules. Most nouns just add s. The simplest way to make a noun plural is by adding an s to the end. Book, books. Car, cars. Pen, pens. Nouns ending in s, ss, shesh, shech, x, or z add es. If a noun ends with one of these sounds, we add s instead of just s. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Brush, brushes. Box, boxes. Buzz, buzzes. Nouns ending in a consonant plus I change y to is. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, we change the y to I and add s. Baby, babies. City, cities. Puppy, puppies. However, if a noun ends with a vowel plus y, we just add s. Toy, toys. Key, keys. Nouns ending in f or phi often change to ves. Some nouns ending with f or phi change these endings to vies in the plural. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. But there are exceptions where we simply add s. Roof, roofs. Belief, beliefs. Irregular plural nouns. Some nouns do not follow the normal rules at all. Their plural forms must be memorized. Man, men, woman, women, child, children. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Some nouns stay the same in plural. A few nouns do not change form at all. Sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sometimes fishes can be used when referring to different species. Latin and Greek origin words. Some English nouns taken from Latin or Greek have special plural forms. Cactus, cacti. Radius, radi. Analysis, analyses. Thesis, theses. Important points to remember. Always check a dictionary if you are unsure of an irregular plural. Some nouns that seem plural are actually singular, like news or mathematics. Group nouns can be tricky. Words like team, family, or class are singular, but they refer to a group of people. Examples for better understanding. Let's look at some sentences to understand singular and plural nouns clearly. Singular. This apple is sweet. The dog is barking. My friend is coming today. Plural. These apples are sweet. The dogs are barking. My friends are coming today. Notice how the verb often changes when the noun becomes plural. In singular, we often add is or has, and in plural we use are or have. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Adding s unnecessarily. Incorrect. Sheeps are grazing. Correct. Sheep are grazing. Mistake 2. Forgetting to change y to ies. Incorrect. Babies are crying. Correct. Babies are crying. Mistake 3. Confusing irregular plurals. Incorrect. Childs are playing. Correct. Children are playing. Mistake 4. Using singular verb with plural noun. Incorrect. The cats is sleeping. Correct. The cats are sleeping. Quick test. Before we end, let's quickly test your understanding. Try to make these words plural. Box, lady, wolf, man, deer. Here are the correct answers. Boxes, ladies, wolves, men, deer. How many did you get right? If you didn't get all of them correct, don't worry. Practice will make you perfect. Conclusion. Today we learned that singular nouns talk about one person, place, thing, or idea, while plural nouns talk about more than one. We explored different rules for forming plurals, including simple plurals, plurals ending with s, changes in y to ies, special changes for f and fe, irregular plurals, and nouns that stay the same. We also discussed some important tips to avoid common mistakes. Keep practicing these rules, and soon you will find it very easy to use singular and plural nouns correctly. Thank you for watching Grammar with Altaf. Keep learning and keep improving your grammar every day. See you in the next video.